In this video, we're going to explore the padding, and the padding is also a very important part. So right now we have here just this basic item here. I'm going to comment out this padding, and we're going to explore padding top. And to understand padding, because padding and margin are very important, and of course borders as well. And right now we have covered most of them, but now we're going to figure out here how we can do the padding. So far we had covered the margin, the borders, and now finally we're going to do the padding. So right now I'm comment this out. If I save this and refresh, you can see now it moves on the top. So what happens is basically is this. We have the margin, which is the outer part. The outer part covers everything outside of the so-called border box here. So we have the border, and then we have the border here, which is right now 10 pixels. And eventually what is within here is the content, and we can still put in a padding around the content, and that's what we're going to do here. So what we're going to do now is we're going to give it here a padding. So we say padding top, we do 10 pixels, and if we do that and we save this and refresh, you can see now our items, it has a padding top of 10 pixels. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.